How to fix YouTube offline problem. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open YouTube on your device and try logging in. If it still does not work, open a new tab, then click on three dots at the top right. And here click on delete browsing data, and then at the top click on more. Make sure it's all time and press on delete data at the bottom. After you click on delete data at the bottom, after that you can simply open YouTube. If it still does not work, open VPN and make sure there are no VPN connected to your device. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix YouTube offline problem. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.